I like when you go to bed in a panty.
What's up, everybody? Mr. Handsome and Miss Good Looking is back. Mr. Handsome and Miss Good Looking is back. It's about that babes. The name the son, right?
I'm telling you, talk something that makes sense.
So everything when we attack a foolishness.
From morning, I talk.
Wow. Well, sometimes that's how I go. How can I talk with sense when I have somebody like your own? You're not telling me an idiot? You telling me an idiot? So, that's okay. That's okay if it yeah, but fun.
Are you that my shirt?
Yes. Black Queen. Me a Black Queen.
You black?
Yes. I look black. Black like a tar.
Me. What color me have?
Brown.
Me? Oh, me?
Mm-hmm.
Me no brown.
See black hair on your shirt?
But you have different shades of black.
See black hair on my shirt?
You have different shades of black.
But you're not black, you're brown.
No, I'm black.
No, you
It's a
don't.
light black.
I mean,
Alright, I'm gonna chocolates.
your skin color me attack. You're black in general, but
My chocolate.
but your skin color is brown.
No, my chocolate.
Oh my god.
Chocolate color.
I mean, you have light chocolate but mixed with milk.
No,
Chocolate?
you have more than one kind of chocolate.
Yes, you have more than different color chocolate. Different shade of chocolate.
Like the chocolate tea, what we just drink.
Yeah. That when I be in the milk, that a chocolate tea. Black like a what?
I talk a different thing. I talk. Me the thing, me ask you, you know.
Your color chocolate were mixed with milk, yes. Your
No,
complexion.
no, little mixed chocolate, me talk.
No.
Natural chocolate.
You know no
That's what it
chocolate will
mix.
look like this. That the one we mix.
Dana, listen.
You know no
listen.
chocolate will look like you. I don't want to mix with milk.
That's how me look.
Yes.
Like me mix with milk. That's it. No, I look so.
So stop saying your chocolate then. Say your skin brown. Say it.
Yeah, my skin black. Just, the black just clear, you know? Clear black, you know? The black is clear and clean up. You know?
Okay, so what is our topic for today? Okay, let's talk about 5 things from me when we love about my husband and 5 things when we don't love about my husband. And Amy is going to say 5 things that he love about me and 5 things that he don't love about me. Let's be real. That topic, yeah. Let me see if I can take them off. Think of it now. You go first. 5 things. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna name one of my 5 things that I like about my husband.
Start the bad news first. Start with the bad news first.
Okay.
The don't like part first and get that out of the way.
All right, so you want me to go first? You will go first.
The bad things first.
Yes.
5 things I don't like about you.
Yeah. I don't know if I can find 5 things, but whatever I can find.
First one I don't like about you is when you cook and share the food, you have to wait too long to start eat. You have to take a picture of it and you have to fix up the plate and take a picture it for post, and then you have to wait for you. I don't know, hungry, I have to just wait until you're done take picture and then before me can let I want. Oh, I don't know.
Okay then.
I don't know.
Me know say him not like that when me set up in plate and say me gonna take a picture of it.
It take too long. And sometimes we're all upstairs and you have all of the time to do that.
But me no want to share the food and make it stay too long when you're upstairs.
Yeah, but
And then when you come down, it cool.
right. Me understand
So
that
me like
time
just
there.
do it in a period of time. We take a picture of it.
Alright, in the future, just do it before me come on ready. Start eating food, yeah?
Okay.
So that way you know, hold me up.
Me know say I don't like it, guys. Me know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take picture of my food.
But let me
What
explain.
going on my belly.
Let me explain why. Me I build me catering. Me I build me catering fan base. So when me cook my food, me like fi. And true sometimes I just throw my food in the plate and nobody set it up presentable. I prefer take the picture of theme food, the one that looks presentable. As a woman, Jamaican woman, most woman a Jamaican where married and live with their husband and share their husband for them normally put out more effort for share it that presentable with it. Sometimes I can't bother for share my one so presentable. So when we take the picture of theme one instead of take it of my one.
Sometimes I'm ready, sit down ready, have a fork and I'm ready for start to eat. I'm never dead there, wait for you to take. And sometimes you take one picture, you take 2 minutes. If sometimes you take 10 pictures of
That's
one
not
food.
true.
You take picture already, you take so much picture for.
Come I want to get a good one and sometimes when I take it, it don't look like it take good. You know how picture works already. So
alright, the second one now. I can't say number 2, you know. If you say second one now. Second one now, I want know. I don't like boy. When you're up on the style seat, you know, shut the door. you know, shut the door. And it's just, so when people sit on the style seat, it's an ugly sight. Yeah?
oh my god.
You see somebody on the toilet seat, it's not a good sight, you know.
That's terrible.
Not a good sight.
Alright, so I will stay out of my way. Alright, we can't explain about it because it's the truth.
Sometimes I come up and step up when I look. Brah! You that on toilet seat with door wide open. Say, yo, what do you think? You think I'm on the table there? Do wide open like, you know, or something where when we put it now, like a something where you know, say if you see this, you go feel good and
But
something.
what the difference? Me in the toilet already and you come in there, come show up. What the difference?
Well, that different, but door not wide open, so say, see me here. When you sit on the toilet seat, nobody at all, not just you know, nobody at all. It's not a good sight. You see somebody sit on the toilet seat. No matter what them on the toilet seat. Well, as a man, man sit on the toilet seat for one purpose. Woman sit on the toilet seat for more than one purpose. But it no matter where they are upon the toilet seat. Because when you sit on the toilet seat, you know, already now number 2, you know.
And you're naked.
Already now number 2, when you know do you know. You sit on the toilet seat and just do the come to anybody mind when you sit on the toilet seat. You know.
But sometimes I don't do the matter. But even so.
Yeah, but when you sit on the toilet seat, I see up on the toilet. Sometimes you don't do nothing. Sometimes you just there.
The toilet in my bedroom is not like say I downstairs and it is.
Sometimes you just get on the toilet seat and chill.
The bedroom.
But when
sometimes I not even use the toilet. I sit down on the toilet. I go there for.
You go to the door and you finish and you just sit down and chill and play your phone.
Sometimes I finish and I just step on my phone or sometimes.
You still don't look good. You see up on it. But you know, yeah.
Number 3.
Number 3, no. I'm not like, no. I like when I come in from work and I watch a series. What do you think that when you watch all that I watch on TV? What's your name?
Bachelor.
That's all?
The Bachelor.
Oh, I'm taking now. It done now?
Yes, the season done, but it soon start again.
God.
That's alright. So
Yeah, you can watch it, but me not like when I come in and you watch it. It's like, me get this, me get ignored, you know. Me not get no attention.
oh my god.
You know, so me not get no attention.
Bachelor come on a Monday night. Only at the week. Only on a Monday night.
And on a Monday night, need the most attention.
And you are complaining about that. Me now watch series after series after series, day after day. It's just on a Monday.
Me no business. That rob me my time. Alright. Yeah, that rob me my time. And then if me talk to you, you may not get your full attention, you're distracted, you talk foolishness or you answer to foolishness. You know, give me a direct answer. Or you're distracted. When you're into something, when you watch a movie or a show and you're into it, your brain freeze. I just that you focus on, man. Sometimes you have to get upset. You come out of it, you snap out of it.
No, Sam, I can't bother. This is too much.
Right. But anyway.
That's what, number 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so number 5.
Number 3 that.
Number 3 that?
4. You want me to hurry up and dodgy?
Alright, so that's not number 3.
So number 4 now. Boom, bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam. I scan now. I like when I go to bed in a panty. What? But time until I said, you know, put on a panty. This guy can't go to bed without panty.
Oh my god.
So put on panties, put on the dress to that bed.
That's not true. I want me look as Humpty Dumpty spaghetti shorts.
Yeah, so that don't need a panty. And that.
Oh my gosh.
I can't go to bed in a panty.
That's number 4.
Alright, mama and papa.
That's number 4.
I don't know if you have mama, I know me and papa. Me and daddy.
At this, I'm going to name the title of the video, yeah.
Me and daddy, me and papa.
Me definitely going to name that title of the video, yeah. So.
You got bed night?
Yeah. Me used to.
When
me just know you, them time there, me more feel. Alright, them time that me young, you know? And I'm 25 and me young and vibrant but now like me get so mature, it's like me don't feel like me comfortable not sleeping in underwear no more.
But I don't like it not don't go out naked. It have a cover up, see me?
No,
but you don't feel under so much cover.
But my underwear loose.
Suppose you're asleep and I want to access. Panty in the way. Oh.
So.
You alone asleep, you sleep in a panty.
Alright, so. A long time you talk about that, you know. I don't know.
Yeah.
But from 840, or maybe a little bit before that, I might feel uncomfortable not sleeping enough. I don't do any park. I used to sleep none at all in a panty. Never.
Because you used to do it up 6, 7 nights. And you get tired and mash up. You can't put, you don't have the strength to go find a panty and put it on back.
Stop
You
it.
end up asleep, see me.
Stop it.
You literally can't. Number 1, when you done beer and come in, if you even put it on as it go and say, come on back. I don't get no time for put it on none. So,
Lord, give me strength.
you don't actually go to bed without it. It's just that, you know, when you're done, you mash up and tired, you have to go search for it and now, and you can't bother with that. So you just bounce it same way.
I never used to like clothes back then, sleeping in clothes. Never used to.
Anyway, I move on.
Move on.
5.
Too much, you're too much.
Alright,
Can't
number 5.
manage you.
You know anybody expect for your certain things come up with and you draw me out and you call me like this. I talk the things and number 5 now.
Hot as if I beat.
Number 5. Number 5.
Me know, number 5. Me can tell you one where me know say you don't like about me.
Me live on the phone.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
She have people, she have 3.
Whoa.
She have 3 phone. 3 cell phone. She have 3 cell phone, 2 tablets, 2 laptop, and a desktop. See much gadget that?
1.
3 cell phone, 2 laptop, 2 tablets, that are 7, a desktop, 8, and a laptop. 9 gadget. People when she depend it. Sometimes she sit down and the 9 of them they round her. And she from one to the other. Sometimes phone her ring and she'll take up all the tablet for answer.
That's not
And then
true. That is not
she don't know
true.
why she
That
confused. She don't know which
not
one of them
true.
are ring.
That is
Come
not.
in and see her with the whole heap of gadget them and me want attention. It's just like the TV, you know, like when she watch show. When me want my attention and me come in and see her. Sometimes all them all string out on the bed too, you know, man. Oh. It's not where I kick off anything, just sweep, you know, man. And when she see me come in, she start grab them up, you know, because she knows say no sweep.
You can't sweep up me dead gadget there. You're not sweep up. That is not true. Not sweep
So
up.
we grab them up for them.
No,
So
that's not true. Not sweep up me gadget there for no floor.
So let's stay then. Yeah, man, when me have the same complaint like when she on the TV, when she watch the TV with the gadget them. The phone, especially the phone. And she dep on all the car and then when I come in and she dep on the car and she still dep on the car. Sometimes I say, listen, I come in. Some attention, man. But you can't find something to the person. I come off my phone now.
Never go hear you know Panty.
Me no business. Find something to them now and come off my phone and give me a little attention.
Never go hear you. I know say you don't have to be about give you attention.
I say, I'm there now. You how much time you have? You did
And now
that. You have the whole time. I'm there now. Just tell them say husband come now and attention time now and get
I hope you
off on the
can
phone.
explain. I hope you can explain all of fear them when me I go come with. I hope so. You see you come at me real hard.
No, that was real. Nah, real. Be there all the time. Come at you real.
Yo.
And then something they're gonna say something what you know. So then I'm like, you see this?
You know we can't bother with you.
You could just surprise me. But anyway, your type. No.
We should I surprise you? Hey. What?
Left that alone.
Me I left it for true. You're too much. You're too bad. Alright, so
That are my 5 people.
Mama see how we
First
can
one, we can recap. Recap. Well, the first one again. Number 1.
remember.
Oh, when you cook, when you share the food on the plate, that take too long. You take picture, that take too long for done with it, so we can't get it for start eat.
TV.
The second one on TV.
Yeah. Second one I watching Bachelor.
Watching show or soap or show. The third one, toilet seat.
Yeah.
The fourth one,
Gadget.
gadget.
The last one I Gadget.
Last one I gadget. The fourth one I what again?
The fourth one Panty.
Yeah, sleeping up and the last one gadgets.
Yo. Alright. My first one is anytime I clean,
Oh, my answer the place.
Max, it will spill things right up on the floor as they pass it. All right.
Me?
Yes. We just spread the bed and it's pull it up in a split second.
So that I second one then?
No, all of them they combine together. We just fix up the settee, fix up the cushion them in the settee, and then pull them up. Pull them up. And when he might get up, he now fix them.
Because
and he will go back and fix them.
Because he's a TV person. I love watch TV, so you know.
So the bed, the sofa, we drop things here and there upon the floor. Well, that's different. But
drop
Max,
things on the floor.
But
most of the time when I drop anything on the floor, man, wipe it up or clean it up. Most of the time.
Hold on.
Not all the time.
That me don't like. That one, my number one. Max, quick for pull up your place when we just don't clean. Max is the first one pull up your place.
Me?
Yes.
No.
Pull up the bed, the sofa, them things. Alright. Second one. When you eat snacks, see here with the biscuit there with the salt on them. No matter which part you're there, you rub them off and lift them.
So every time I do that, where I eat up the whole of a salt and I have to run up and with me.
No, but no matter where you're there, see here with the biscuit, them I rub off the salt or the sugar off of them. All in the city, that could have even in the bed.
No, sir. No. That's so nasty.
See, yeah. Me
no rub it off in the bed. Me lay in the bed and hold my hand off, sir. And rub off the salt.
Don't put it in the bed or in the city. But on the ground, you make sure safe on the floor, you rub them off on the floor.
You go see, you go clean, you go sweep off the floor.
No.
I'm going to sweep it after.
Me never see you do that yet. Me never see you do it.
I do it already.
Me can't record that.
You know why you never see me do it?
Mm-hmm.
You know why?
Why?
Because I hide and do it.
Me never see you do it.
I hide.
But
make sure so you don't see me.
That's number 2. Number 3.
Not 2, few.
For me, a number 2.
Or second.
For you, I can be second. Alright, so number 3. We have some big picnic in the house. And me with there all day cook or do what me are doing here. And when I come to wash or plate, Max I tell me to wash the pot them when I picnic them to wash them. Me hate that. Me I wash pot from me a 7, 8, 9-year-old. And the big old picnic them box the things that they can't wash pot. That burn me.
The first time I mentioned that is because me I said them now go wash it good. And me that rather for you take them and show them or inspect it.
Lately?
But if you just load them up so and do it, it now go do good. And that's when me, that are the first time I mention it, that's what I didn't mean. If you just load them up. Because, alright, we're not hold on there. As an example now, boom, left them for wash. Yeah, them wash, boom, everything wash and turn now. When you ready for use it now, when you're looking at it, no wash good, you have to wash it back again. That, me not say them I got do it, you know, but me just say at that, me did curious about why me I suggest it. Or me did I say you could have inspect them then, supervise them and make them know, say, make them do it good. See to it, say, you show them how to do it good. So, you know, have to show them again. But we just left them, so them not grow like how we grow at Jamaica out in a year.
Yeah, but for me, them I forget that to learn for the things. That is all me see it. Yes, I understand. So like for events, if me I prepare for events, and for instance, a Thanksgiving or something, we're gonna have a little event here, birthday party or whatever, some celebration, and one day me I clean up and I season up meat and them things. Night come down now. Everybody have them night where them watch plate. Alright, so when me done the work on them something then, me try to do as much as me can. Sometimes I just really feel drained and tired. But if me left too much things in the kitchen, my husband will say, you left too much things in the kitchen. If you wash up the things then when you use or whatever, yes, me wash.
No, I know something said. You said the excess things then. The excess things then. You have a regular. Say you cook a regular dinner for the family. We don't talk that. Like if you do an excess cooking event, you do excess cooking, you use them more than the normal pot, more than the normal things, and you use them up in the kitchen. And them things themselves.
All right, number 4. When me just meet my husband, there is nothing me can ever recall ask him for do, and he tell me no. There is nothing. You know, hear what I just say a while ago? Nothing will ever tell me no. There is nothing. Nothing. You hear me tell you? Nothing he would have tell me no. So because of that, let me finish. Because of that, he get up in my head. Because me actually have somebody will listen to me and don't tell me no. That was one of my reasons why I love him. Because him don't tell me no. He will tell me, he always, when we ask him to do something for me, he always do it. All right. You know, see me and live with me on 2 different things. So, eventually things are going to get overwhelmed and pressure are going to come on and whatever, and you're going to say no. But some things when you tell me no, frustrate me.
So you don't like woman then?
So, when you tell me no, always I say, but you never used to tell me no. How you tell me no so much time behind one another? No, we can't go do this, or no, you can't go do this, or you can't go do that.
So you don't like when we say no?
No.
But you say no and still do it?
Yes, he will tell me no sometimes and still do it. But
you just don't want to hear no.
But if him not do it, that aggravates me.
But most of the time when we say no, we do it.
Yeah. Most of the time you will say no.
So it's still aggravated when you say no, even though we do it?
No, if you don't do it.
If we don't do it?
Yes. Yes. So.
But you ever tell me if you do it, I not do it?
Oh yeah, we used to have a lot of conversation about that. But a good while now you don't do that. You start to, because we not bother you so much like how me used to.
Oh, so you admit that you used to bother me?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so me not ask you if you do too much for me no more like how me used to. And you used to tell me to know them, so me start to do most of them myself. You know? All right. So I guess that's number 4. All right, number 5. Can I tell you number 5?
No, just skip me out of my mouth. I make it jump through my mouth, yeah?
Is take care of my vehicle. Service it. Check it out. Do little things to me although I'm busy. But find like a time to do them like something for me.
But
me have to go.
I understand.
A mechanic stand up and wait for my vehicle as a woman.
What? Don't put that.
Don't put up like that. Them something there.
Don't put up that. Don't put up that. If you got a mechanic, get out a woman and Mr. drive up in there. You know what we do? You know what we do? You're stuck in the old time days where you say where women say certain things, man for do that.
Yeah.
A man for do this and a man for do that. I don't think it go like that. In America, maybe it's still going in Jamaica. But in America, that no count. Women that do things where...
I mean, nothing wrong then.
But we don't have no problem fit whatever your vehicle, We don't have no problem, But the thing is that the only time me have a Saturday alone me have. So a mechanic no open on Sunday. The mechanic shop no open on a Sunday. So a Saturday alone me have. We don't have no problem for you check out your vehicle and whatsoever, but are you a driver?
Alright.
Let me try to show you, are you a driver vehicle? You know the complaint. Me not drive a vehicle, and like say, it's a vehicle over share. we share the vehicle. Sometimes you have your vehicle drive or whatever. So me don't know the complaint. And then for the one day when me have now, if it comes to boom, I'm going to spend half day at mechanic out of the one day. Don't do it, you know. Don't do it. But you don't want to do that. And I say, me willing if me know it's something wrong with your vehicle or why you're complaining about something and me check it and me really find out for sure. Me willing to carry a mechanic. But I can't know say something wrong with your vehicle unless you tell me or me drive it. I mean, I drive a vehicle. Like me drive it one day and it, let me tell you about the vibrating. That could have mean like maybe it want filter or the tire want balance or so. But anyway.
Alright. So I'm going to talk them about I'm going to number 6.
Most of the time when you put on my clothes and go to work when you want it, better there.
Alright.
See, if it's the case where you have to get up every day and go to work, like when you get up every day and gone, that won't bother you. It won't bother you because you don't get up out of bed and you're gone, but you still lay down in the bed and then, you know, them kind of feeling that will take you. But we're not there.
Alright, number 8. Let's do 5 things you like about me.
5 things I like about you. Number 1.
That's easy, right?
Yeah, easy. You run through them fast. I don't know if I go call out them, but I don't know if I name them out one. Say this is number 1 or this is number 2, or if I just mention all of them in one.
Number 1.
Number 1. You're loving, caring, and he's a very good mother and a husband and a wife. Very good wife.
You hear that, guys?
So I don't know if I say loving on one, caring on one, I just bungle all of them and put in on one and say number 1 that. Which one you want? Bungle?
No. But you would like if it...
One, if you wasn't a loving type of person and a caring type of person, you wouldn't be my wife.
You'd have gone a long time.
No, my dear.
Okay.
Nobody now run from good and run to bad. So we observe certain things before, you know.
You get yourself caught up. You observe certain things before you get yourself caught up.
Yeah. Yeah, mama. Observe. Watch how you handle yourself in the kitchen. Watch how you take care of yourself too. And your kids them.
Okay.
And my sister, you know, the love you have for your kids them. My sister is a loving mother and a good mother. And you know if you handle yourself in the kitchen, and you know if you take care of yourself. Because if you don't know if you take care of yourself, you can't take care of me. When I say take care of me, me can, in general take care of me, basically. So that's the number 1.
Okay. Number 2.
Number 2 is a good cook.
The same thing.
The same thing.
Because they fall in the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Yes, in the kitchen.
Number 2. The second thing, I say number 2. The second thing I love about you. The mentality you have, the willpower, you're strong, hard-working. You have a strong willpower or a determination. What I call it now? Determined and self-driven. She's a determined person. She wants something, she go feel. Like how she determined, so she want me. She come for me. Yeah, she's determined, hard-working, and self-driven. Yeah.
I come for you. You come for me. You would have never give up. The next video we are going to do is how we meet.
That's second one.
Yeah. So the third one now.
Third one. If you want to go in our bedroom again, to go there so doing about the third one, I this up in the bedroom, the third one. We don't have to go down in the details with that part there.
No details, guys.
Because we don't want this to cut out.
Because me I go cut it out.
So I better me just no matter go into the details, more than go say it and it go cut out.
Me I go crap it out.
It's just like 6 or 1 hours not the other.
Okay.
So number 4. I like how she, what I love about her, fourth thing what I love about her, she clean. You know?
Yes.
She clean. Her house clean. She clean her house and keep her house clean and house shine, floor shine, house clean and not dirty clothes, not well, as I said before, if she wasn't like that she couldn't be my wife. So I give her panty thing there. Very clean. I love that.
Clean. Spotless. I grew up with my granny in a bush with no light, no water. I have to do all of them work there, so it's me trained for this.
So the 5th one now. Fifth one, number 5 now.
Number 5.
I call her and beg her to do something for me. 95% of the time she do it. Or 98% of the time she do it. She don't really tell me no.
Sometimes I tell him no, I still do it because I get that from you. You know?
Yeah, but if you that know the right and do it wrong, we'll get. But if you know the right, do the right. Who know better, do better.
Right.
Yeah, man. She don't really tell me no, I beg her to do something for me. Even if she said no, she still do it. But 98% of the time, she do it.
Count on
98% of the time. I guess
you can
maybe.
count on me.
I guess if I something where.
Me know things that will make him get upset.
And where you really have to do for me. Say. The things.
What is important?
Where important. Where you really need to do for me.
If you call me will not do it because me not feel say it important. But if I think it important, then I'm not gonna tell him no. Cause it's important.
And some things then she tell me no, I do it myself.
Yeah. Me tell him no.
For something I can do.
Me don't tell him no. Although me not want him to tell me no, but I mean to spoil. And I mean to spoil him. That's the way how it's supposed to go.
Spoil for spoil.
No.
Me have to get spoiled.
No, you are a man.
You know the business. That me tell us that while ago about back in the days and because me a man, me never get spoiled. Me can't spoil too.
Yeah.
Me don't say me not spoil, a woman not spoil. But man can get spoiled too. Well, so we are not smarty too. We are not smarty pitney.
Me not say no.
We for just be a macho and just nothing, just run, just ragamuffin and nothing and no little.
No, but
you know, alone forget everything.
No, say me no wait name that. Say me spoil you already. You said that.
But
you spoil a long time.
you like to be spoiled. That's one of the things why you have me and my wife too. Because you maintain the spoilness about me. You can't admit it.
Confess.
Yeah.
Alright, so when him say spoil, no mean say me go out there and buy him clothes and shoes and all of that. So you make it
even
clear.
Though you do buy, but another spoil. Another spoil there.
Another kind of spoil there. So some woman say spoiling them husband or them man in a way where, and then me told up on the video, where you call spoil is some woman say buying them man clothes and shoes and vanities. I am not that kind of person.
Don't say you're not the kind of person. You will buy.
Me will buy.
But it's not spoiling level.
Not a spoiling level. Me we boy buy for gift. Me we spend for birthday gift, wedding anniversary, them kind of stuff there. But not on a spoiling level where
I mean, past that stage, you know, where clothes and shoes spoil me. Past
yeah,
that stage,
them something there.
If you pick in a little
Right.
young,
Me no-
pretty young.
Me not buy them
Oh,
something there for sometime.
Spoiling, I mean, like, alright, no.
Like this.
Yeah, I mean, someone titty, I should just take out the titty and give me.
I say, hey,
Yeah.
want it?
I'm just titty up the thing. And
Them
just,
kind of spoil them at all.
Yeah. I'm gonna lay down in my bed and say, Dana, go for that for me now, please. And she go feed. While me could have go do it myself, she just do it. I would do the same thing too. So,
Yeah, but vice versa.
Two sides are spoiling.
Vice versa. If you are do for me, why me can't do for you? If you are do for me, why me can't do for you? Got it. Yes.
So, that are the...
Number 5?
That are the that.
Okay, so that's number 5 for you. I'm supportive. As much as very weird in we say.
If there's something where me have an input in it and I can give a good advice, but I say no, I do it that way there. Do it that way. But I still support me and support you on your idea. But it's just that if me have an input and I can give a suggestion, you just say no.
So I'm supportive. Over the years, me know him. We can actually be a business partner without conflict. Very, very supportive. All right, so the next one is him actually make me be myself. Because
You used to shy.
yeah. There is so much when we can actually
You
say.
can be yourself until you have the toilet seat and left the door wide open.
Me, I'm stop it though. All right, so yes, so it make me be myself. Is like there was this darkness inside of me over the years, and I actually feel like it
Overcome.
that is the word. Me overcome the darkness that I have inside of me over the years growing up, because I finally find somebody who I feel and I'm God say accept me for who me is, and appreciate me for who me is. I don't know. Me feel that, but long time. And me share things with him where he would have never said to anybody. And that trust and respect we have is just unlimited, because it make me be myself. So that is number 2. Number 3, my kids them, no, number 3, my kids them love him.
It's a 4 now.
No, not that easy to have kids that is not belongs to your husband and they appreciate him, right? So you know, a lot of stepkids, stepdads, them don't have a good relationship with their kids. My kids them have a good relationship with my husband. So that him have a good relationship with my kids, and my kids have a good relationship with him, and that is what is important in our relationship when you have kids outside from the relationship that you're in. So yeah, that's number 3, because my kids them I love them. My husband, I love them. We have family, and it's supposed to be one. So, number 4, he can cook. And I love when him cook and get involved in the kitchen. And so love that. I love when me and him actually in the kitchen as a couple, and he might help me out in the kitchen when me feel pressured. I love watching me and him in the kitchen together when he might do what I want him to do in the kitchen, or when I would want him to do in the kitchen.
You have to ask me for come.
I mean, I have to ask him to do it. Him step in and give me a hand if him sees him in need of a hand. Love that.
Whereas me up on the phone and I take too long with my food.
No, not just like with your food, but like, say for instance, say, me I prepare enough food for family or friends, and you step in and give me a hand because you maybe see say, you know? I love that. I really and truly love that. It sometimes I smile in my heart, yeah. Sometimes I just smile. Maybe I just don't go out and say it when I leave, but him know still, because sometimes I blush. But I'm going to tell him something, I appreciate it.
Like last week,
right.
Example.
Right. But not just that last week alone, but anytime at all.
No, example.
Yeah. Number 5.
So that I praise without raise, you know, I so want to raise.
Number 5. I just going to say one thing for number 5. Miss I do it nice. That's it. Number 5.
Up.
All the way up. All the way up. Pass up your soul.
The end. Do it nice.
That's it. No comment, no nothing else. We're done with this song. Because,
you know, sweep off a ground.
So, that's it. Don't even bother go nowhere with it.
Alright.
Not even bother go there with it. But yes, I have to put in the part there because it is very important. Okay? So that's number. I have a lot more, guys, but
some of them you can't talk out loud.
Not too loud. Not too loud. Make it shout. But that was easy, number 5. Me not even did think of anything. Them just come out like that.
Spontaneous.
So to be honest, it never really. You just speak or you feel, and in your moment and your truth. You carry the camera, come to pick up every blackhead in my face. No.
I don't keep biting in your face.
Yes, you pick up every black spot in my face when you come so close.
I know you want camera, phone is good camera. See you get it, then you run from it. Maybe them not look right. Or I mean, I see myself good.
You mean? I don't carry the camera over in your face?
I them look so.
I mean, I want it up enough for me because you're going to see every little dark spot.
Okay. I'm afraid. For sure.
Alright guys, so that's it for that video. This video is so long, but it is for a good cause. So you get to know a little bit about us. The next video what we're going to do, we're going to talk about how we meet. If you want to see that, just put up your hand. Put up your hand under that video here. You know the little emoji?
Thumbs.
Yeah.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Yeah. Put a little emoji under this so you can able to see that video there. The next video we are going to do, we want to do that, how we meet, and give you a little bit of story about us. Okay guys, so we are out. Don't forget to like.
We are what?
Out.
Oh, I don't think you said all.
Oh no.
You know, so we're all like up.
No, we're not all, baby. We're
But
not.
that's a pic. That never night.
Okay. We're not all anytime soon. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Leave it in the
Like,
description.
share, subscribe, and comment.
Guys, tell what you want to do next. Because see if we can negotiate, okay? Bye, guys. We're out. Peace. Also, guys, he is a great dad. And that I admire. He support his children. He's a great dad. And I love that about him too. So, that make we a bunch. Daddy of the year.